The Emerging Technologies course was created to give our students an opportunity to explore and experiment with different topics that are outside the regular course material. Because this is a two-year diploma program, we cover all of the core material in our program, but there's lots of topics that are outside of that. And that could be different computer languages that we don't cover. It could be hardware like microcontrollers or robotics or home automation.
I didn't think that hardware or robotics would be my thing at all. I thought I was definitely more of a software engineer type of student. However, this robotics has kind of made me consider trying out hardware side of things a little bit more. I chose to learn about the robotic arm because it is something that's new, and I was a little afraid at first because I wasn't quite sure if I would be able to do it. I decided to take a stab at it anyways and see maybe I could do it, maybe I could learn a few things, and so far I've learned an exceptional amount. It's really cool.
One of the things they teach in this course is how to teach yourself, which is invaluable when it comes to actually working in the field.
I would say that even if you don't have a lot of experience with computers, and even if you're someone like me who just had played a couple of computer games when I was young, or kind of always had a bit of a knack for computers, I would say take this program, because even though if you feel like, well, I have never coded before, I've never done this before, it's okay. I'm in that same boat, and I have learned so much through this program.